Kisamla Pule ka them Ri-Bhoi kila Shri yam bat sa haka umrum haka jinge khonye ke exam National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test Undergraduate 2024 ban yolit Pule line medical namar ka jing bakla jong ka National Testing Authority ban pinpoy ye jingkylli ki babakla shaka examination code center kani ka jing jia kala jia hapo ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School nongpo kepala itu da ka NTA kum ka examination code center hadu reply ngut kisamla Pule na Ri-Bhoi klalit tho ek exam NEET bala penlong hnin ka singi ublai ka santri ujemang kashlem haba yakran kisamla Pule bali yakhonya ka exam klalit hu bakani ka center kala sam hadu R set ki jingkylli shabaro ki be yakhonya ka exam kawai ka set jong ka State Bank of India bat kawai pat jong ka Canara Bank henry hadin shikanta shiteng bala yatho exam la pentip ba kawai ni kini ki set ka de bala sam bakla Kiyathu baka NTA kalabu por tanglai kinta pensyong tho ek exam henry hapadeng ka jing tho exam kindit unong ag exam ulawan pentip baka waini kini ki set ni jingkylli kadai ka babakla bat baki samla Pule kimdei bantho ni jubab ya kini ka jingkylli Kiyathu baka ni ka jingwan pentip kala jia hadin shikinta shiteng baki samla kila yatho exam bat bu ni ki samla kila poi jubab ni tho ya ka jingkylli ka bomdei ha ka ba kila yo por satang shikinta shiteng ban jubab ya ka jingkylli ka badai ka baka marks kalong hadu nyospa arpo marks Kimi kikpa habiyo jing tip yake ke bajia na lagi jong kikhun delit mere woodwood shaka examination center banyakran bandawa ban ailat biang sa shisi ni kikhun bakin tho ek exam namar ka jing bakla kadai na ka examination center
Canara Bank set of questions and then I think then afterwards when I got about 1 hour plus I got the director then he said oh you give only the SBI one like that then I said okay then we went back collected the papers of the Canara box, so to say. Let me just say that to make it simpler. So, collected them, but some students had done that first. Okay, so then, but then others they had started with State Bank. Not all of them are thing. They had just we gave the first one. They had gone
according to the trees.
Yes. And then when when time came like 5:30 and all that, I said okay, we made some. There was a slight confusion there a bit, so we'll give them extended time. So I went to the rooms and I just said okay, it's time for us to close. That was before 6 o'clock. It's time for us to close, but let's do it because I think none of them stood up and say, "Ma'am or sir, we have not completed." It would have been very nice if students had stood up and say, "Ma'am, we have not done." Okay, maybe they're scared or confused. Quoting that, also I cannot blame the students. But
nengkok ni kisam atli ka paper haka juga por. Ti habang ikli ki kano bangin de bantho ki ong bantho lang baro al. Ti ngila kali hi ben ong ban. Bantho shwa ka ki ong tho lang baro al tingir ngi tho lang baro al ke. Ki don ki batho shwa ka to ka badai don ki batho shwa ka bomdai. Begitu ki bom batho pare ka bom dei pat kilong ki shuan ong no pat hamar siteng jong ka exam bakam deir ka to tho no ka to ka ba R1 te kum nong in tho pat ban pendap ya ka to hamar siteng jong ka exam baru ka por kin ai khndiat bha ka extra yang ni ka tai aba long bakan syai bat ban tho be yang sa shisin namar khnang bangin su thu ya ka e ka balaj bat ka e ka badai